3 things to teach your child when they switch from a 5-point harness to a highback booster seat with the vehicle seatbelt. Number 1 is how to route and buckle the vehicle seatbelt, and have some patience. This is a new skill that may take kids time to learn, even if they're very good at undoing a car seat harness. Make sure you point out the correct routing where the lap belt goes under both armrests, and for most boosters, the shoulder belt also goes under the armrest or in a special notch on the buckle side. Number 2 is teach them that they need to use their own belly and back muscles to stay upright during a turn or stop. So if they feel their body leaning during a turn, they need to use their own muscles to sit upright. If you're stopping and they're leaning forward, teach them that they need to use their own muscles to sit back up. Some kids do pick that up very naturally, but some kids are so used to the harness doing that work for them that they do need to be directly taught how to do that. And number 3 is belts to bones, then leave it alone. Teach your child never to play with their seatbelt. This prevents seatbelt entanglement and ensures their belt is properly positioned on their body. Consider keeping some lightweight distractions in the car if their hands need to stay busy. I hope that helps someone out today. What questions do you have?